Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to help you live your best, healthiest life. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: nutrition for injury prevention and recovery. So, grab your notepads because we're about to dive into some incredible facts that will blow your mind. Did you know that proper nutrition plays a vital role in preventing injuries and speeding up the recovery process? It's true. By fueling our bodies with the right nutrients, we can enhance our body's natural healing abilities and reduce the risk of future injuries. First up, let's talk about antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with these powerful compounds, which help reduce inflammation and fight off free radicals. Including a variety of colorful fruits and veggies in your diet can give your body the necessary tools to repair damaged tissues and strengthen your immune system. But that's not all. Let's not forget about calcium. Calcium is not only crucial for bone health but also for muscle function. Consuming adequate amounts of calcium-rich foods like milk, yogurt, and leafy greens can help prevent fractures and support the healing process if an injury occurs. So, make sure to include these foods in your daily meals to give your body the calcium it needs. Now, let's crack open some knowledge about healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, and avocados are all excellent sources of healthy fats, which are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. Including these healthy fats in your diet can help you bounce back quicker and stronger from injuries. So, don't be afraid to incorporate a handful of nuts, sprinkle some seeds on your salad, or enjoy a delicious avocado toast to reap the benefits. Stay hydrated, folks. Water is often underestimated when it comes to injury prevention and recovery. Staying properly hydrated helps maintain joint health, promotes the transportation of nutrients, and aids in flushing out toxins from the body. So, grab that water bottle and make hydration a top priority. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and remember to increase your intake if you're engaging in intense physical activity or experiencing excessive sweating. Time for a delicious recovery secret: protein-packed smoothies. Including an adequate amount of protein in your diet is crucial for repairing damaged tissues and building strong muscles. Whip up a tasty smoothie using ingredients like Greek yogurt, berries, spinach, and a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Not only will it satisfy your taste buds, but it will also provide your body with the necessary amino acids for recovery. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of vitamins and minerals. They're like superheroes for our body's repair systems. Vitamin C helps with collagen synthesis, which is essential for wound healing. You can find this vitamin in citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens. And minerals like zinc and magnesium aid in the recovery and rebuilding process of muscles and bones. You can obtain these minerals from foods like lean meats, legumes, nuts, and whole grains. So, make sure to get a variety of whole foods to meet your daily vitamin and mineral needs. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the nutrition secrets that can help prevent injuries and speed up your recovery process. Remember, your body is a temple, and by nourishing it with the right foods, you'll be taking a giant leap towards a healthier, injury-free life. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about nutrition and wellness, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a future upload. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.